Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. On today's episode of Cooking with Cap, today we're making something special, guys. We're making something special. We are making some steamed fish. What do you guys think about that, guys? Looking good, right? Looking good. Hey, she's almost done. She's almost done. We're gonna dig in, man. We're gonna dig in. On today's episode of Cooking with Cap, baby, some steamed fish. Some steamed tilapia. Some steamed tilapia. Live from Vietnam, baby. Live from Ho Chi Minh City, man. We about to get it in, guys. Thanks for watching on this episode of Cooking with Cap. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do all that good stuff. You know how we do. And I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. So yeah, guys. Today I decided to go with the rice for lunch, along with 2 eggs that I will make in a minute. And obviously my steamed fish, guys. My steamed fish. She's almost done. I'm just waiting. Should be a couple more minutes and she's done. And I'll be ready to dig in, guys, for lunch. And guys, just for the record, this is how I made the fish. This is a rice cooker. I just filled the rice cooker up with water. And there's a cage right here inside the rice cooker. It's a cage that sits over the water. So I took the fish out of the packaging, seasoned it. Not much seasoning, guys. I just put a little bit of black pepper, nothing special on top of the fish. And then I just laid the fish out inside the cage, on top of the water, over the water. That's it, guys. Put the lid on and hit cook. So we'll be going with the steamed fish today, the rice, and I will fry up 2 sunny side up eggs in a minute. Alright, guys, so my fish is done. My fish is officially done. It's turned off. Okay, there she goes, guys. There she goes in all her glory. The fish is officially done, guys. The water has evaporated. The fish looks very, very good. And I will be digging in soon, guys. I will be digging in soon. Power up. Power up. Okay. Let's get this going, guys. Let's get this going. Put a little bit of oil in the pan. Not too much. That should be enough. Put this over the rice with my fish. It will be good to go, man. We should be eating in a couple of minutes, guys. Like I said before, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, guys. It's time to eat, man. It's time for lunch. Just trying to separate these 2 eggs. Turn that off. And plug out the wall. Rice, guys. There goes my rice. Scoop up my egg. Put that right there. There you go, guys. Take some of my fish out. Out of the bowl. Guys, I may or may not eat all of this fish, I'm not sure. We have our eggs with rice. Eggs with some rice. With some steamed fish, guys. This is tilapia. Some steamed tilapia, guys. Cooking with Cap. I'm about to dig into this. Get my lunch on, because I'm hungry, like I said. it's time to eat, guys. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. On today's episode of Cooking with Cap, baby. Cooking with Cap. We got some steamed fish, some rice, and some eggs, guys. This meal is not hard to make at all, guys. It's pretty easy to make, so you could just kind of set it and forget it. The longest thing that took to cook was the fish. And you don't really have to watch it, flip it, or anything, guys. Just put it inside the rice cooker with the water. Press cook. Go watch a movie. Do whatever you do. Watch some YouTube. Whatever, float your boat. And from there, you're good. You're good, guys. Give it about 45 minutes to an hour. The button will pop up. It's done. It starts to warm. And from there, you're good, guys. Simple. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one, guys, peace.